Hi guys, how you doing? My name is Nori. Today I'm going to teach how to learn Japanese faster. This is Learn Japanese from Nori. Today I'm going to teach how to learn Japanese faster. Some of you might have learned a few languages already. I actually learned English since when I was 12, and I have learned Cambodian languages for 3 years. Through my language study experience, there is one thing that I'm sure about learning language. To efficiently learn language, it is important to not to memorize each word, but to understand how that language is organized. So when you learn Japanese, I don't want you to learn Japanese words one by one. What I want to recommend you is to study simple, short sentences. Then you can switch subjects, verbs, and nouns. Once you understand the basic grammar, how it's organized, you'll be able to make a bunch of different sentences out of one simple sentence that you already have known. Let's bring up one example to get the sense of it. Okay, imagine that you have just learned how to say I want to go to the airport in Japanese, which is 空港に行きたいです。空港に行きたいです。空港に means to the airport. 行きたいです means I want to go. Then how about switching the noun, which is the airport in this sentence? Try to bring up several places that you may need to go when you visit Japan, like the hospital, bank, stations. If you switch those nouns like this, 空港に行きたいです。病院に行きたいです。銀行に行きたいです。駅に行きたいです。So, this is how you increase your vocabulary. You should search nouns that you really need to know and memorize those together with basic short sentences. Not to memorize separately, but to memorize together with sentences. Okay, what about verbs? How should we memorize verbs efficiently? Again, we can switch verbs in a sentence. 空港に行きたいです。空港に着きました。空港に向かっています。空港で待っています。Like this. Isn't it easy to memorize each expression and each word? And this is how you can get used to making sentences by yourself. So the most important thing to learn Japanese faster and faster is trying to make several sentences that you want to use out of one simple sentence that you already know. That's gonna help you understand what the Japanese basic grammar is like. Today I've talked about learning Japanese efficiently. I hope it will help you study. Well, that's all for today. If you like this video, please press like button and don't forget to subscribe. And I'm glad if you check my blog too. Thanks for watching. This is Learn Japanese from Nori. See you next time.